Welcome to a new tutorial. Welcome to Creative Web. We are moving. Please make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you share this video. Please drop a comment in the comment section. I want you to express your thoughts. I want you to express your mind. I want you to express your feelings. Please make use of the comment section. And in this video, what are we learning in this video? I want to show you, for an instance, in the last video I explained how you can install WordPress. How you can install WordPress through your cPanel. Now in this video, assuming I installed WordPress, I forgot my password. How do I change my password? Now I will show you one of the easiest way. The easiest way as a web designer to change your password is for you to hack out your password. Now for you to hack out your password, now you go to your cPanel. Once you log into your cPanel, you move down to database section. Click on PHP My Admin. Then once you click on the PHP My Admin, your PHP My Admin will redirect you to your database. So you'll be redirected to your database. So you change your password directly from your database. When I showed you overview of cPanel in one of my tutorials, I taught the overview of cPanel. I took you to the cPanel. I explained to you that all your information regarding to your website are being saved in a database. So your password, your everything are being saved in your database. So you can, as a web designer, you can just go to your database directly and change your password. Even though WordPress has a way, they have a way. For example, now let me come to my dashboard. That's your domain name /wp -admin. Abi, you still remember? Then when you click that, though WordPress has a way for you to change your password, but that's too long for you as a web designer, whereby you have access to your cPanel and all that. You can easily go to the database and change your password. So like lost your password, you can click on it for WordPress to help you to change your password. But you don't need that. You yourself, you can change your password, and that's what we are considering. Now my cPanel is being loaded. Now whenever you install WordPress, each WordPress installation you do has its own database. It has its own database. Now I only have one WordPress installed on this domain. I did not install any WordPress on any subdomain or any directory. So because I have just one WordPress installed on my main domain, that's why I have this Futek WP 902. So that is the what do they call the database for the WordPress I installed on futek.com.ng. sorry. So for this WordPress I installed on my futek.com.ng, this is the database. So just click on your database. So once I click on my database, once it's loading, once I click on my database, my tables, I told you that it is every of your data are being saved in a table. Every of your data are being saved in your table. This is for your comment. This is for comment meta, link, options, post meta, post, term meta, terms, term relationship, and all that. So all this, I told you, for WordPress, this database is my SQL database, whereby all your information are being stored in a table. When I showed you overview of the cPanel, I mentioned something like frequency table, that it is being saved in something like frequency table. Now for you to get your user password, you come to the last one, WPKF_users. So once you click on it, all the data for user is going to pop up. It's going to pop up. Now let's see that. So it's loading. Let's wait for it to what load. Now these are all the data for the user as an admin that is logging in. This is my username, this is id, that's only one, number one. Then nice name, Futech, email, then the URL where my WordPress is being installed, then the register date, there's nothing like user activation key, then status, I'm not online because I did not what, I've not yet logged in. Then display name, the displayed name will be what, Futech. Now this is my password. Can you see the password is in a string? Now there's an encryption called MD5. MD5 is a way to what, encrypt password in a database on a website, whereby once you encrypt your password, if someone have access to this database, let's say due to some ways, now someone have access to this database. Now this is not my real password, the password is being converted to this string. Now how do we convert through a MD5 process? Now for us to change this password, now for example, now I want to use ABCDEF as my new password. If I click on this, just double click on it, it will open up as this. If I cancel it and I write ABCDEF and just click anywhere outside, it will what, update. Let's see, it's going to update, it's going to update, it's going to update. Once it updates, it's going to pop up. Let's wait for it to update. Now once I use ABCDEF, if I log in using this password ABCDEF, I won't be able to log in, because though that's my real password, but there's a process, yes, one role affected, so it has updated, it's now updated. Now using ABCDEF, it is not being converted to MD5, so I won't be able to what, log in. Now let me log in, try to log in. Let me use my email, then let me show you ABCDEF, then log in. It will tell me what, wrong. Can you see, error, the password you enter for the email address is what, incorrect. It has to be converted to what, MD5 before I can what, log in. Because if someone has access to this database and the person saw the password, and you know the person will have full control of your what, website. But once the person have said this and it is being converted to MD5, there's no way the person can have what, access to what, your password. How can I convert this to what, MD5? You just come to a website called md5online.org. Then once you come to md5online.org, so you see this on your home page. This is the home page here. Now encryption, you can just click on encryption, it will bring you to this. Now for me to encrypt, can you see this file, this place, MD5 encryption? Now I want to encrypt my password, that is ABCDEF. Can you see that I want to encrypt ABCDEF? So just click on crypt. It's asking for me to, okay, traffic lights, let me verify this. So that's crypted. Can you see the MD5 crypt for ABCDEF is this? Just copy all of this. Can you see it has what, encrypted for us? Let me just copy, then you paste it there, then just click anywhere outside, then let's wait for it to what, update. Update. Can you see it's already updated? It's updated. So let me just log in as what, ABCDEF. Just log in. Can you see we are now logged in? Now this is how you can change your password for a WordPress website using your cPanel and changing your password from the database. Please don't forget to like this video, make use of the comment section, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.